In order to utilize the potential of digitalization today, it is often necessary to integrate know-how directly into the machines. And often, production facilities must also be horizontally and vertically networked. Operators need a comprehensive security plan in order to securely operate their facilities in these situations and to design their machines to meet these needs. The Defense in-Depth strategy defines concrete measures for enhancing productivity and security at 3 levels: plant security, network security, and system integrity. We've integrated security functions directly into the TIA portal specifically for the areas of network security and system integrity. Thomas, what are the most important functions, or what are examples on how to ensure system integrity?
Yes, Oliver. In the area of system integrity level, our SIMATIC S7-1500 Advanced Controller offers access protection to optimally restrict access to the controller and protects the knowledge that you've stored on it. In addition, the SIMATIC HMI systems offer user administration features for setting up and managing various users and roles. It's very easy to configure the SIMATIC S7-1500 access protection functions in the TIA portal. In the protection and security area, you can assign 3 passwords in the equipment properties to secure the controller against unauthorized access. On the one hand, to enable the viewing of data from the controller only when the correct password is entered, and on the other, to enable data to be modified if program components are downloaded. The third protection level protects HMI systems against unauthorized access. We configure 3 different passwords for this purpose to ensure the best possible protection for the controller. Now the controller is fully protected. In our SIMATIC HMI system, you'll likewise find user administration functions that allow you to define different users and user roles in order to optimally protect the plant.
Okay, now we've protected the controller and the HMI against unauthorized access. Do we also have an option to adapt the protection of the know-how in the program modules directly in the TIA portal?
Yes, we do. That's also just as simple. You just click on the modules that need to be protected, and in the knowledge protection area, secure them with a password against unauthorized viewing and modification. All it requires is simply entering a password, and the module is protected.
We did all of that in the same project directly in the TIA portal. We've seen how we can protect the controller and our HMI, as well as our know-how in the portal. The next step in our Defense in-Depth strategy is to protect the networks. We do this by utilizing mechanisms that are also built right into the TIA portal for enhancing network security. Thomas, let's take a look at how this is done.
We can also do this in the same project. We'll insert a network security component, a Scalence S-Series model, S623 protection module. This module allows us to protect the internal machinery network with the functions offered by a router and a firewall. This functionality can be used just as easily as our know-how and access protection in the TIA portal. You can also work with specified firewall rules and, for example, only allow access via the S7 protocol from the internal network to an external network, and vice versa. In addition, Scalence S offers the option to define global sets of firewall rules and assign them to individual equipment units. You'll be operating the firewall in advanced mode for these tasks. The pre-configured rules are automatically taken over, and global firewall rules can also be defined in the global security settings. You're defining a new set of rules. Defining the firewall rules in the next step, allowing access, for example, from external to internal network. Specifying the allowable services, and assigning this set of rules to the security module.
So in just a matter of minutes, we've succeeded in taking measures to safeguard productivity and protect know-how. That's truly efficient engineering with the TIA portal.
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.